What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Ketchup from Animal Crossing New Horizons. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So first of all, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line for the top of her head, and on both sides I'm gonna draw a curved line down and slightly outwards as you go to the bottom at the cheek, and I'm gonna make a semicircle turn at the cheek, and we're gonna do the same thing on the right side. Now at the bottom of her face, I'm gonna draw across a curved line. Now for her mouth, I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point to the right there, and another curved line below that, and at the side of that curved line I'm gonna draw a short curved line between the two, and I'm gonna turn this line upwards to the side, and I'm gonna extend it to the right with a curved line across for the top of the beak, and for the lower half of the beak I'm gonna draw a curved line at this corner and extend it to the center and across and back up at the side, and above that line I'm gonna draw across a curved line at this point right here. Now for her eye, I'm gonna draw on the left corner right here an oval shape, and on the top section of that eye I'm gonna thicken the center part of that oval, and at the outer corner of the eye I'm gonna add a curved line right there and a sharp turn back at the lower point right there with a curved line, and I'm gonna fill that in with black color. And on the top left corner of the eye I'm gonna add her pupil with an oval shape right there. And I'm gonna fill that in with black color. Now we're gonna draw a similar shape on the right side as well. Now on her cheek, I'm gonna add an oval shape as well. And on her forehead, I'm gonna take this point and draw a curved line up and across on the top and back down on the right side right there. And then I'm gonna make a sharp turn to the center and up and back down to the middle of the face right there and back up to the left corner and back down to that point right there. Now below the head, I'm gonna take a point at the side here and draw a curved line out and make a turn back in and down. And then I'm gonna make a turn with a curved line for the sleeve upwards and back sideways to the left. And then I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point back to the lower part of the face right there. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side. Now in between the sleeve, I'm gonna draw across a curved line right there. And below the sleeve, at this corner, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line across, downwards, and to the right, and back up on the right side. For her legs, I'm gonna draw from this point a line down and turn it diagonally to the left and down. And from this point, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line out and down and a semicircle turn back up to the center of the leg. And then I'm gonna draw a similar line, a diagonal line here, and turn it back up. Now for the other leg, a line from this point down and turn it slightly to the left below the knee, and we're gonna do the same thing for this line over here. And for her feet, I'm gonna do a semicircle line at the heels and extend it all the way to the front with a curved line and a semicircle turn back to the base of the foot. Now on her sleeves, I'm gonna draw a few lines right there and another one right there. And on the right sleeve, we're gonna do the same thing as well. And below her shirt, I'm gonna draw a semicircle pattern on her tummy and another one outside of that. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!